Okay, this is the two recipe for this class. We are going to prepare a traditional Mexican bread. It's a sweetest bread. And the name is mantecada. For that, we are going to use 5 eggs, 300 grams of flour, all-purpose flour, 300 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 300 milliliters of oil, vegetable oil, and 150 milliliters of milk. And the raising agent we are going to use baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Well, the first step, you have to whip the eggs. The traditional recipe says you have to whip the eggs with sugar, but I like to start with the eggs alone, just with the eggs, to get the opportunity to the protein to develop all the volume it can do. The other tip you have to remember is when you whip the eggs, they have to be at room temperature. Okay? It's very, very important. When you prepare any kind of recipe in bakery or pastry, and the recipe says you have to use eggs, remember you have to let the egg at room temperature. At the same time, I'm going to sift together the flour and baking powder. Dry ingredients. I preheat the oven at 200 degrees, okay? Now you can see the difference, the volume is more, so I'm going to add now the sugar, little by little. Now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. The action we are doing now is whipping the sugar and the eggs with a whisk attachment. Lo voy a decir en español para que quede un poquito más claro. Ahorita lo que estamos haciendo es batir, pero cuando batimos para agregar aire con el batidor globo, hay un verbo en específico que utilizamos que es whipping, y nosotros solamente batimos con estas características la crema y huevos. Y huevos me refiero a huevos enteros o claras, ¿no? Cuando llegamos a hacer un merengue. Whipping se utiliza cuando hablamos de huevos y cuando hablamos de crema. Ahora voy a añadir la vainilla. Si notan ahí, incluso se cambió el color. Le voy a bajar la velocidad porque la vainilla es mucho más líquida y podemos tener un accidente. Esta acción la pueden hacer en casa con el batidor globo. Okay. So if you don't have this mixer, you can use your whisk and a bowl to do this action. If you see now, it takes me maybe 3 or 4 minutes. If you do it with your hands, if you decide to do it with your hands, and maybe you are going to take more time, maybe 15, no, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes, no more. Okay. Now I'm going to add the milk. and check. Okay. In this moment, I'm going to try to go to low velocity because in this moment I'm going to add the dry ingredients, and you need to control this. Okay. I use the paper because for me it's more easy to add to the mixture. You see, it's more easy to add the ingredients. In this moment, you can see the bubbles. This is not the air. This is the CO2, the reaction of the baking powder. Okay. And now I'm going to add the oil. Okay. It's ready. So now I'm going to use the ice cream spoon. Remember, if you don't have an ice cream spoon, you can use a jar to pour the mixture and then portion in the mold or in the tray. If you don't have this capsule, because I use it all in this class a lot. If you don't have this, you can use. If you don't have this, you can use shortening, vegetable shortening to cover all the mold, and then pour the mixture. But you have to be generous with the shortening in the tray. Okay. Remember, this tray I buy it in the Brichos. So if you have a Walmart close to you, you can go and buy it. Okay. Remember, the other thing you have to remember, or you have to do, is to scrape the bowl. Scraping the bowl onto the bottom to check all the texture of the mixture. You see? Well, it's ready. Remember, you have to fill the mold 3/4. So maybe I need more mixture. The other thing I like to do it, or maybe you can do it. You can put on the top. You can put on the top nuts. In this case, I have pecans. I chop it. The sugar. This is because the humidity. You get this texture, so remove it. So you can put on the top of the mold of the picture. Sorry. To get another texture. and bake. We are going to bake this for 18 or 20 minutes. Okay? See you in the next video.